Bitcoin Daily Analysis, July 29th, 2026. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is July 29th, 2026, and in this video we'll break down Bitcoin's current market structure, identify the key support and resistance levels, discuss possible bullish and bearish scenarios, and finish with a trading outlook for the next 24 hours. Let's get started. Bitcoin continues to trade within a well-defined range after the recent wave of volatility. The market is currently in a consolidation phase, which means buyers and sellers are still fighting for control. This type of price action is common after strong impulsive moves and often leads to a significant breakout. From a technical perspective, the overall higher timeframe trend remains constructive as long as Bitcoin continues to print higher lows. However, momentum has slowed, suggesting traders should remain patient until the market confirms its next direction. The first area I'm watching is the nearest support zone. This level has attracted buyers multiple times in recent sessions, making it an important region to defend. If bulls manage to hold this support, Bitcoin could attempt another move toward the recent swing highs. On the upside, resistance remains the key obstacle. A clean breakout above this area, accompanied by strong trading volume, would increase the probability of another bullish continuation. Volume confirmation is especially important because false breakouts are common during consolidation periods. Looking at momentum indicators, the RSI is currently hovering around neutral territory. This tells us that neither buyers nor sellers have a significant advantage at the moment. Instead of showing overbought or oversold conditions, the market appears balanced, waiting for a catalyst. The MACD is also worth monitoring. If we see a bullish crossover while price remains above key support, it could provide an early indication that momentum is shifting back in favor of buyers. On the other hand, a bearish crossover near resistance would increase the risk of another rejection. Now let's discuss the two main scenarios. Bullish scenario: if Bitcoin successfully holds support and breaks above resistance with increasing volume, we could see fresh buying pressure entering the market. In that case, traders may begin targeting the next resistance zone, while momentum traders look for continuation opportunities. For swing traders, patience remains important. Waiting for confirmation rather than anticipating the breakout often improves the risk to reward ratio. Bearish scenario: if Bitcoin loses its current support, sellers could gain short-term control. In that situation, price may revisit lower demand zones before attracting new buyers. A breakdown without immediate recovery would suggest that the market needs additional time to build a stronger base before attempting another upward move. That's why risk management is more important than prediction. No matter how confident a setup appears, protecting capital should always come first. From an on-chain perspective, long-term investors continue to show relatively stable behavior. Unless we see a major shift in macroeconomic conditions or unexpected news, the broader market structure remains healthier than during previous bear markets. Speaking of macro factors, traders should continue monitoring economic data, central bank announcements, and institutional investment flows. These events can create sudden volatility, especially in both Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. My outlook for the next 24 hours is cautiously optimistic. As long as Bitcoin remains above its primary support level, the probability slightly favors another attempt toward resistance. However, confirmation is essential before assuming a sustained breakout. So, today's strategy is simple. Watch support, monitor volume, and avoid chasing impulsive moves. Let the market reveal its direction first, then react with discipline instead of emotion. That wraps up today's Bitcoin analysis. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next daily Bitcoin analysis. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.